Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 247 Tech Talk. I know I keep saying I'm done for the year with videos, but I'm so excited with what I have planned for 2026. You guys must stay tuned. I've got some collaborations that you wouldn't even imagine. I've been sort of really pursuing my passion of my motorcycles, my electric motorcycles, and my recently purchased Can-Am Ryker that I've been looking to make it like as unique as I can, as 247 Tech Talk as I can. You guys have seen a lot of my DIYs. You see some behind me, even with EcoFlow products that I sort of did my own thing with that's no one else has because it's just the way I think. I've got some collaborations coming up next year with some people who think the same way, so you guys really need to stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and share. Again, most of these things I have on this channel and going forward are things I purchased out of my own pocket because I enjoy this passion. I hope, and I'm so thankful. I hope that you share it with me. Recently I did two helmet reviews, impressions and reviews. One was the Icon carbon fiber, and one was the Ruroc. And I was thinking about, well, what do I ride with throughout the year? I'm in New York, it's cold, I'm not riding now, everything's put away, which is why I'm doing this review or this unboxing or this whatever in my studio. But I was thinking, Julian, what do you do in the summer for real? So in the spring and the fall, I wear these full face helmets with the visor and everything. But quite frankly, in the summer in New York, it goes from one extreme to the other. It gets really, really hot. And I've been wearing a half helmet in the summer. We can have that conversation, and we will next year. But I thought at the same time, I need something that's half helmet, that's DOT certified, and the one I was using was not. So then I saw this sale, I saw a lot of good conversation about it, and I came up with this. And this is what I purchased, and I'm going to go over it really quickly. It's not going to be a long end of year review. I'm not taking up all your time. I'm sure you've got lots of things to do as you're planning your entrance into 2026. Okay. Give me a second. So it's a box in a box, and here it is. This is Crazy Al's No More Mushroom Head, which I can't get because I'm bald. Helmet. It is DOT certified. Now, people may say, well, DOT certification is not enough, but it's a half helmet, right? So you're really not going to go for too much more than that with a half helmet. If you want more protection, then the half helmet is not it for you. So I'm going to take it out the box real quick. I love the fact that even the box at the top that goes over the helmet, they have a foam strap to protect it. And considering this thing is hundreds of dollars less than what I spent on the Ruroc or the Icon, it's amazing. Here it is. It also comes in a bag, much like every other helmet. Let me flip it around so you see the Crazy Al's logo. Let me put this knife down. And this is a half helmet. You can tell already it's small, a lot smaller compared to my other helmets. I'm not going to pull those out because I don't want to have them share the spotlight. And here we are. I got the matte black, the half helmet. Now, what I love about this to start with, let me start with this. It's DOT FMVSS number 218 certified. This is a Crazy Al CA77R helmet. This, I believe, is an extra large because I have a big head, but it can be worn like this, or it can be worn like this. So let's take a look at the inside real quick. It is padded. Can you see that? It's got this netty material. So yes, you'll sweat. When you're riding and it's a summer day and it's, if it's 90 degrees outside, it's 100 and something in your head. But it's got this nice cushioning, and it's sort of vented cushion, mesh cushioning that I think will allow the heat to dissipate quite a bit. I have seen actually a helmet with vents on it that's a half helmet. I'm not sure how much I'd like that. Maybe that's the next one I buy and review. It's got this quick release buckle. Right? It dropped right open. Didn't take off the tag yet, but you can wear it like this. Right? And you've got the peak at the front, or let me turn sideways so you can see it. Hope you're seeing that well. Let me give you both sides. Or you can actually flip it around and you can wear it like this with the peak on the back. This one gives you the free, you see your line of vision, little style at the back. Feels very solid, very lightweight. That's what I like about it. My other helmets are quite heavy. You can almost move around with this. You're not really sure you have much on your head, right? You can't really feel it, especially if it's strapped. My other helmets, the full face, as you know, those things are built differently, and they have a lot of weight to them, whereas your head feels like you're carrying something. The matte is nice. I wanted that. I was going to go for the carbon fiber, but my other helmets are carbon fiber, maybe to match my Riker since it's sort of carbon fibered out. Maybe I'll get another one from Crazy Al. This thing was like $70, DOT certified. If I choose to ride with a half helmet, this is what I'm going to ride with from now on. Right? If I'm riding somewhere and I feel I need full protection, obviously I ride with a full helmet. So Crazy Al, $69.99. I think the sale is on for maybe till the end of this year. Today is December 20, let me get this right, 27th. I think it's on to the 31st. This video is probably going to be posted by the 28th, so you have a few days if you see it. Again, I want to thank you so much for supporting the channel. I promise you, you have no clue what's coming next year. The channel, as you know, is 247 Tech Talk. I started out doing gadgets and keyboards and mice and switches and network switches and cameras. I'm evolving more towards my bikes and my workshop, e-bikes, electric motorcycles. I have mods coming for the Iahara M1 Night M1 PS, for the Naxion IM Pro, for my Can-Am Riker, and maybe if I get lucky by the end of next year, maybe we'll add a spider to the shop or a slingshot, something that will keep on helping us enjoy what we enjoy, and I can share my crazy mods and crazy ideas with you. Thank you so much again for all your support. I wish you all a healthy, happy, prosperous, and blessed 2026. See you soon. Again, please like, subscribe. It allows me to keep doing this for me and for you. Until the next time, 247 Tech Talk out.